V2 double stroller. In this video, I'll go over some crucial questions and answers that will assist you in purchasing an Uppababy Vista V2 double stroller. So keep watching the video from start to finish. Can you use a double stroller with the Uppababy Vista? Yes, the Uppababy Vista and Vista V2 can be transformed from a single to a double stroller. With the addition of a piggyback board, it can even accommodate 3 children. What is the difference between Vista and V2 Uppababy? The Vista V2 seat unit is appropriate for children 6 months and up to 22 kg. It differs from the original by a few centimeters, having a taller seat back and a deeper footrest. What compares the Uppababy Cruise V2 from the Uppababy Vista V2? The Cruise V2 is only intended to accommodate 1 child, whereas the Vista may be transformed to a double buggy with the addition of a second seat. Contrary to the Cruise, the Vista additionally includes a carry cot that may be used for overnight sleeping. Is the Uppababy suitable for twins? You can use the infant seat and the rumble seat together and create various configurations if you intend to expand your family and have 2 kids. This stroller is a fantastic choice if you also have twins. Is Uppababy a luxury stroller? The Uppababy Vista is a luxurious stroller that includes a variety of extras, including a baby bassinet for a newborn. Something Americans don't fully understand because most parents keep their infants in car seats during the newborn stage, which is bad for the child and wouldn't fly in Europe. Rain covers, and bug nets for the bassinet and seat. The Uppababy stroller is really expensive. Why? As a premium baby gear company, Uppababy is among the more expensive options due to the excellent quality of the materials used, the innovative product design, the extended guarantee, and the features. What is something you wish you knew before using this buggy? While its sturdy construction makes it a dream for walking, it also makes it huge, so someone in a small apartment could find it challenging to store it. It's also weighty, which makes it less than ideal for parents who frequently use stairs. Considering that a single to double pushchair must be able to accommodate 2 children, these elements are expected. Uppababy's Cruise V2 is a terrific choice if you're looking for something that's lighter to push and simpler to store. Why are people obsessed with Uppababy? As a premium brand, Uppababy goods are constructed with quality materials that are meant to endure for many years and include numerous features and capabilities not found in lower-priced alternatives. Additionally, Uppababy has developed into a fashion statement for the trend-aware parent because to its stunning design and modern accents. How long can a baby use Uppababy Vista? How old must my child be before I can start using Vista for them? What is the Vista's maximum weight or age allowed? Infants from birth to 20 pounds, or until they can stand up on their own, can use a bassinet. 3 months to 50 pounds are suitable for toddler seats. Can baby sleep through the night in a Uppababy stroller? With just one hand, you can easily detach the bassinet and transport your sleeping child wherever. A secure option for nightly sleeping is the bassinet. For more airflow, the canopy's back unzips and opens. Breathability is provided via the vented base and perforated mattress pad. What makes the Uppa stroller so great? They are renowned for their safe construction, deft features, and stylish appearance. Additionally, it's simple to locate a stroller that fits your lifestyle thanks to Uppababy's extensive selection. Here are 6 of their most well-liked strollers, one of which made our list of the best strollers of 2022. How can my Vista be converted to a twin stroller? You must buy the rumble seat for the bottom position to convert your Uppababy Vista into a twin stroller. In addition to a car seat adapter, you might also want the upper adapters and/or lower adapters, depending on your car seat and the configurations you want to make. How simple is it to steer and push? Excellent. When it comes to navigating all terrains, it's definitely the best buggy I've used. It feels just as secure when there is only one baby, a toddler, or both at once. How much protection does the seat's hood offer? The enormous sunshade is fantastic. It is unquestionably one of the largest on the market and provides good protection from the sun and rain, if you've forgotten the rain cover. A helpful vent and peephole are also present. How simple is folding? Although I didn't think this folding system was the most obvious, once you get the hang of it, it's simple to use and fluid. Only the eye candy Peach outperforms the Vista V2 in comparison to its rivals because it has a straightforward one-handed fold that many users say is really simple to understand. How adjustable is the handlebar? It's silky and quite comfortable, perfect for long treks. My partner, who is over 6 feet tall, will find it excellent that it stretches quite high. The higher mount adapters for the toddler chair, which allow you to raise the seat so you can engage with your child better, are also appreciated by taller parents. How can the Uppababy Vista V2 be taken out of the frame? Once you discover the button at the top that releases the carry cot from the chassis, which admittedly took 3 of us some time to do, the carry cot is a delight to use. We were out and about without the instructions. You only need to push and slide the button once to lift it off the chassis in one extremely smooth motion. Additionally, you can do it with only one hand, unlike with some similar pushchairs, such the Bugaboo Donkey 3, which require you to touch memory buttons.